Hello everyone, welcome to Python Power. Today we are going to have a blast coding together as we create a Notepad application using Python. But don't worry, if you are new to Python or programming in general, we'll start from scratch and build a way up. So let's dive in and have some fun. Before we jump into the coding or Notepad, let's lay down the foundation. We'll cover some basic Python concepts like variables and functions and GUI design. Understanding these key concepts will help us create a solid Notepad application. Alright, it's time to get our hands dirty. We'll walk through step-by-step instructions to build a notepad using Python's built-in library, particularly Tkinter for graphical user interface. Get ready to see some magic happen on the screen. Now that we have the basic structure of a notepad, let's spice up things by adding some cool features. We'll implement functionalities like save, open and edit. Plus, we'll explore how to use the keyboard shortcuts for efficiency in the later sections of this notepad creation. But in this video, we'll be creating a simple notepad. Our notepad is going to be more than just a text editor. In this pattern, we'll talk about how to make a notepad visually appealing and user-friendly. We'll customize the font, color scheme, and layout to enhance the user experience. Get ready to see our notepad transform into a sleek and polished application. And there you have it, folks. We have successfully created a functionality notepad application using Python. I'll be creating a notepad application using Python. I'll be guiding you this step-by-step process, and let's jump into the coding session as well. So here is the code. To get started, we import the necessary libraries, Tkinter as a TK, and which is a standard for alias of Tkinter, and additionally we import message box for displaying messages, and I'm also importing the ask save as file name, ask open file name to handle file dialogues for saving and opening the files. Before importing these libraries, you have to install the Tkinter library on your laptop. So please do install using this line of code, pip install Tkinter. As I've already installed Tkinter, I'm just importing these libraries. Next, I'm defining a new underscore file function. This function is triggered when the user selects a new option from the menu. And it also clears a text area to create a new empty file. Okay, and text.delete 1.0 tk.end is nothing but delete is a method of the widget text to delete all the text from the beginning. 1.0 is nothing but beginning, and to the end tk.end is nothing but the to the end. This will delete all the text from the beginning to the end. So let's run this. Next, I'm defining a open underscore file function. This function is triggered when the user selects open function from the menu. Okay, it prompts the user to select a file to open. This ask open file name is nothing but it prompts the user to select a file to open. And here you can see which type of files you can open, means these two kinds. With the extension .txt and with the dot files. All files and text files. He can open using this open file ask open file name function. And the file types that I'm using is .txt and all files. Next, if a file is selected is not empty, it opens a file in read mode. This file underscore path and r is nothing but read mode. It opens a file in read mode, and then what it is doing means text.delete 1.0 tk.end is nothing but it will clear the existing text area. This line of code is nothing but it is used to insert the content to the file into the text area using this insert method. Okay. Next, I am defining a save underscore file function. This function is triggered when the user selects the save option from the menu. Okay. This is one of the functions of the Tkinter library, and this prompts the user to select a location to save the file, and the file types are of nothing but .txt and .files. Next, I am giving a condition here. If a file location is selected, I mean if the path is not empty, if file selection is open and the file underscore path is not empty, then it opens a file in the write mode. Then it opens a file in write mode. Then what it is doing? Then it is writing the content of the text area to the text into the file using the write function. Okay. Next, I am defining the about function. This function is triggered when the user selects about option from the menu, and this about option will be available in the help menu. Here you can see I am using this message box dot show info, and I'm giving some information about this notepad. I mean this is a simple notepad application created using Tkinter. Um, this displays a message box using show info from the message box, providing information about this application. Next, we create the main window for application using this tk.tk. This window serves as a container for all the elements of our notepad application, and the title I'm giving is nothing but simple notepad using this title method. Let's run. Next, I'm using this menu function to provide a functionality for our application. We create a menu bar using this tk.menu. This menu bar will contain two menus, as I have said that only these four commands are available in this notepad. So these are nothing but new, open, save and about. These three new open and save file will be available in the file section, I mean file menu, and about command will be available in the help menu. So this menu will be containing of two menus, that are file menu and help menu. In that file menu we'll be having four commands, that are new, open, save, exit, and in help we are having about command. So let's run this menu bar. So as I have created this menu, next within the file menu we add options like new, open, save, exit, and this add underscore cascade will add a file menu, and these four are the commands that are available in this file menu. Okay. Once again I'll tell this file underscore menu, we are creating a tk dot menu. This menu bar will contain uh, this menu bar will contain this file, and here I'm using add underscore separate to separate these, to create a separate line for these three commands, and this exit command I'm using this separator, and the separator by default is nothing but it will be displaying like a line. Okay. I'll be explaining when I create the notepad also. Here what I'm doing means I'm defining one menu bar. In that menu bar I'm giving the label as a file menu, and that in that file menu I'm defining these four commands, new, open and save. As I have created these three functions, new underscore file, open underscore file, save underscore file. These are the commands that I'm using. And for exit, we are using root dot quit. Let's run this code. Next, I'm creating another menu called help. As you can see here, help underscore menu I'm creating. In that we are giving the command as about. As I have created a message for this about, it will be displaying that when the user clicks on this about command, then it will be displaying this text. Okay, so let's run this. After creating the menu bar and adding menus and options, we configure the main window to use this menu bar. This is done by using this config method on main window and passing the parameter with the main menu bar that we have created here. Okay. In that menu bar, there are two menus, that is the file menu and help menu. Okay. Let's run this config method. Finally, we will be adding a text area widget that is nothing but tk.text, and this widget provides a space where users can input and edit the text. Okay, we then use the pack function. Here you can see pack function to place the text area within the main window, allowing it to fill and expand the available spaces. Okay. And if I run this main loop, it will open the created notepad. Let's check. Can you see this notepad? This is a notepad that we have created. You can see I have given the simple notepad as a title name, and we have also created the two menus, that is file and help menu. File and help menu. In this file menu there are four commands that are new, open, save, and then exit. Here add underscore separator is nothing but it is this separator line. Next, in this help we are having about. If I click on this about, this is a simple notepad application created using Tkinter. This will be opening. Okay. Then if I type something, then if I save this, and if I close this, if I want to open it again, I think we have to run from starting. Then if I try to open the file, here you can see the file is also open. Like this you can create a new file also. Okay. So this is how you can create a simple notepad using the Python code. There you have it, folks. With these steps we have created the foundation for our simple notepad application. In the later sections, we'll enhance its functionality and appearance to make it more user-friendly and visually appealing. We'll be adding some more commands in this notepad in the future sections. This is a detailed breakdown to create a notepad. If you like this video informative, please do share it with your friends, and please do like my channel and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned and happy learning, happy coding. Thank you.